In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, it turned white. That means that location is now disabled. To enable it, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Location section over here. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!